Let us take a moment of silence. A matter of fact, we need a day. We need to pray for our sins because what we have been doing with our eyeshadow, blending it up inside of our brows, like you are a clown. You should go interview for the circus. You are a clown. Why you do it, John Crow? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look like a snack. Hey, I had to come outside because I have a lot of new subscribers. I couldn't come looking like a bum. Anyways, as you can see by the title, today I'll be teaching you guys, as I said in my previous video, that I'll be doing a separate videos on how to properly blend your eyeshadow. I eat this. See it right here, so I eat now. Yeah. So when Corona she gone, outside open up back. What have to look good up in that area here, girl. Yeah. What have to look good. I'm gonna teach you guys. You're gonna look good. You're gonna be blended. I get so used to doing the African accent, it's like I can't even talk Jamaican. So I'm gonna tell you guys the do's and the don'ts in blending your eyeshadow. I'm gonna tell you guys what brushes to use, when to use those brushes. Alright, so the key to having a nice eyeshadow is the base. What I mean by base is the concealer that you put up here before you put the actual colors on your lid. You can use your concealer or you can get an actual eyeshadow base. If you're using this concealer, you're gonna need a light base. The lighter the base, the more pigmented the color is on your lid and it pops and you blind everybody. I use my P. Louise base in the shade 05 because it's very light and I just like when my eyeshadow pop. However, this shit is very expensive. This is very expensive. So you can use this, especially if you're a beginner. Just buy this in a very light shade and you're good, girl. You're gonna prime your eyelids. So you see, just like how you prime your face before you put your foundation on, you prime your eyelids before you put on the color. Right about now, I don't want so much now. You expensive, so just go back in this for a minute, please. And you're gonna blend this out very nicely and smooth. Treat your eye just like how you would treat your face for the foundation. Take your time and blend it out. And this is the brush that I used to blend out underneath my brows.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Alright, when you prime your eyelids, some people set it, some people don't set it. I don't set it because I love the pigmentation out of the colors. You set it when you want to do like a natural glam. So we're not gonna set today, okay guys? Alright, let's move into the brushes that I'll be using in this video. As you can see, this brush I put on, it's very fat and broad and it's very soft. This now, I use this to do my all over color. So if I'm just using brown on my eyes, I use this to place it everywhere how fat it is. I don't have a lot of work to do and it's easy to diffuse out the color. It's very fat and soft, so it doesn't make the color harsh. It blends it out really easy, like I swear to God. These are the same brushes. If you look, you see that it's very smaller than this one and it's more tight. It's not really wide. This brush now I use in my crease. Wiping motions, patting motions. Like, you gotta learn, sis. I'm a teacher, you know? You gotta learn, man. You can basically use any one of these brushes to do your crease or your all over color. You just need to know how to blend it, when to use more color, when to use less color, and how to hold the brush. This is how I hold my brush. Reason why, it applies less pressure. If you go like this, you color one book. You're not for so rough. Take your time and blend it out. Makeup is patience. So if you're not on patience, sis, man, I know you're gonna do it, you know. Swear to God. For this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to merge colors. So I'm gonna be using two colors on this eye, two different colors on this eye. Circus where I go to this, sis. And I'm gonna be using the two brushes to show you how different they work and how to really use them. Alright, I'm going into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and I'm going to take this pink right here and I'm using No, I want to start with that one day. I'm using the fat brush. Gonna dip it in my color and then show you guys how I go to work. Not work, but you get what me I say. I'm gonna start by placing my color. I'm gonna use patting motion before I actually blend it out. So I'm just patting the color on the pink.
You said I was the only one.
Yes. You see how the pink a pop? That me I tell you, when you prime your eyelid and don't set it, the cheapest palette down at town look good. I try you don't know. Then I'm gonna take the brush and buff out the edges. When you go right up in your eyebrow, but those things say that illegal. Me think it illegal when you go right up in your eyebrow, sis. Take your time and lightly buff it out. Yeah, so you give it that smoke out look. Oh God, girl, Trina, no. Why the light I move like say you want to go? Nobody come shame me, you know. I have new people on my channel. Don't come shame me in front of them. And take the smaller, tighter brush and do the same exact thing. I'm gonna move into the purple right over here and merge it into the pink. So I'm gonna show you guys how to blend two colors in together. 2, 4, 6, any much color. Gonna take it and we're gonna just tap it in first. The same thing that we did for the pink. We're gonna tap it in. And how you merge is you take the purple and you bring it over in the pink. Then you're gonna go back with your brush that you use for the pink and blend right in the center. That helps to merge the two colors together. Alright, going back to the purple because I wasn't finished. When you reach at the edge, you're gonna dust off most of the products that you use, or you can use a clean brush, but I don't want to dirty up no more brush. Yeah, so you're gonna take the brush and lightly dust out the edge. You see that? That is magic. Nah, ask you. Nah, ask Christ. You see how girl look nice already? Easy the man. Alright, now that we're finished with this eye, we're gonna move over here. You see how this look? That's the concealer I used to prime. Before you put any eyeshadow on this, you're gonna just take the brush you used to blend it in and get rid of those lines. Get rid of it. And you don't just want to put on your I should have said this from before. You don't just want to put on your concealer and then drop on the color. You want to let it sit a little and get tacky. The more tacky it is, the more it grabs the color and really brings out the pigmentation in the color. You almost sound like a little scholar. Okay, now we're moving into this color. I think I want to use yellow and orange. Yeah, girl, we're gonna go all out today. Alright, so I'm gonna take this yellow and I'm gonna take my Morphe R37 brush. Did I tell you guys the name for the first one? The first brush I use is the Morphe M504, which is a fat one. So I'm gonna take the yellow and blend it right at the starting. So pat it in. When you pat it in, this also helps with pigmentation. So it's like you're pushing in the color and build it up, then you brush it out. Take your time, hold the brush down here and just smoke it out. Alright, I'm gonna move into my Zulu by Juvia's palette and I'm gonna take the orange shade right here. I'm gonna take this brush that I haven't used as yet. It just stained, that's why it looks so. I'm gonna dip in the orange and merge it in with the yellow.
No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. now. I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
I don't know if you guys see the line straight down in the middle that parts off the orange from the yellow. I'm gonna go back in the yellow brush and just blend over a little in the orange, and that's how you merge the colors. So blend over the line with the yellow to diffuse the line. Alright, you guys see that the line disappeared? When I say the line though, come on, say that girl I'm mad, but never seen a line, then she come talk about line gone. But yeah. And that's it. How easy was that? I hope you guys tried it with me. How easy was that? No, it was easy. I'm gonna add the same colors underneath my waterline using this small brush. You see how small and defined it is, so when you hold it under here, it's literally pushing the eyeshadow on it. You can set down here, but when I concealed under my eyelid, I do bring it up under here, so it's already set. You can push it up or you can wipe it on like this.
Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking.
Then I'm gonna take the purple and I'm gonna do the same thing for this eye. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'm gonna draw down them lashes here a little. Got them big, you know? Them big. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope this video was very detailed. I hope you guys learned something from the video. I hope you guys did it with me. And oh, I'm gonna be doing my giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. Unfortunately though, it will be locally because I don't know about you, you know, but me broke. Yeah, right now if you put me up on a shelf and bounce me off, me I go drop and broke. Cause me is a buckle, I'm a glass bottle. If you drop me, I'm going to break. I am very broke. So my giveaway will be locally. When I get big and YouTube start paying me, my thing I go abroad, international, prizes upon prizes. But yeah, for now it's locally. I will be giving you guys more details in another video on what I will be giving away and like how many winners I will have. Maybe I have more than one, you never know. But yeah, and if you reach, I saw the video, if you reach right at the end right here, you see the button right here, so the subscribe button, click it. Yeah, click it and then click the other thing beside it, the bell, and turn the post notification on because it's free. It's free, girl. And I like say every time you have to watch the video or subscribe, you have to pay $50. It's so free. I'm a new Jamaican people like free things. Click the button, my girl, and subscribe. You know you like see me. This is probably the 5th video you watch of me. So click the button and subscribe and become a family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a nice comment. And bye. Something going on my eye.